You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more useful French vocabulary that many struggle with and mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? For reference, in France, in French, it is said as merde. Merde is how you say it. In English, or English speakers usually say it as murder, murder, murder. I know it sounds a bit like murder, but merde, merde is how you say it in French. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more useful vocabulary. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.